Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video. Well, I went ahead and bought another Panasonic. I bought an MC 471. This is a cord reel model Panasonic upright. I just wanted to get one before the new stocks of them completely disappeared. Because obviously, as everyone knows, a couple years ago Panasonic pulled out of the vacuum market in the US. So if you want any new Panasonics, you gotta might as well get them now before you can't get a hold of them, or people want ridiculous prices for them. I actually bought this one off Home Depot. I found a good price on it, and I got 4% cash back on Ebates. So it made it a little more worthwhile to get. I've always looked at this cord reel model. One of the things I don't care for it is it doesn't have brush roll shut off, but the price is really good on it for the vacuum that you get, and it again is a cord reel model, and I've never had an upright with a retractable cord on it. Have your pet handy, mate. Pull out the manual for it as well. Those are always bent up in these boxes. Here's the handle assembly. Part of the phone's just broke. Alright. Let me just flip this box to be able to try and get this out of here. Sorry for moving the camera around so much. Let me just set the camera down quick. Okay, I'm back. I have the hose assembly and some of the wands. There it is. Panasonic cord reel. And it has a HEPA filter. See if I can get out this piece of styrofoam. Sorry, I'm going to have to sit the camera down again. Okay. Now they made a bunch of noise and got the dogs all stirred up. A 15-inch cleaning path with the wedge cleaning. 12 amp motor. You do a headlight on this vacuum. Pre-motor filter And obviously your post motor heft down below it. Right here. It's easy enough to change and get to all your filters. I will switch this out to a HEPA bag, like everything else. What's not in place there. I don't want to force it and break it yet. And you just have to attach the hose, the handle, and pop the attachments on. But here's the cord reel. I think this is a 25-foot power cord. I'm not going to pull it all out. But this is your rewind pedal. Well, hopefully that works a little better than that, because that's a little slow. There we go. Alright, the cord retractor is a little sluggish. That'll probably get better once I use it a little bit. Panasonics and Kenmore's normally had half-decent cord retractors. So I will make another video once I put the vacuum all together and give it a quick test run. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing since I did buy it new. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.